intimidated motherfucker. The bike should be in one of the lockups down here.
Should be is the story of your life, asshole.
Watch me, fool.
Hey!
I think this crazy motherfucker wants something. Hey, what's up, homie? You all right?
No, wait from me! For example, agents!
Yeah, you thought I was gonna hit your bitch ass, huh? Drunk ass nigga. Shit, man. Play it cool. Yeah, that's right. Keep it moving, bitch.
Man, I don't like this shit one bit. Hey, look, let's keep it smooth, homie.
Man, your pussy the only thing that's smooth up in this shit.
Man, what exactly did I do in a past life to deserve your stupid ass?
This a routine lick, dog. Chill.
Do them Vagos look routine? This a shady-ass alley.
Shit, we in Vespucci Beach.
We on the wrong side of Vespucci Beach. You should know a block makes a difference.
Hey, hold up. It's in one of these lockups. Man, ain't this about a bitch? Ain't no motherfucking bike in here, man.
No shit, nigga.
Hola, amigos.
Hola, S.A.
We saw you trying to creep up in here, man.
Yeah? You saw this motherfucker?
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit!
Vamos!
Fuck.
Fucking down. Come on down, everybody.
Man, stop being a pussy, nigga, and grab that heat.
Go! Genius, keep your head.
Bríncale, homie. Just on luck, homie. Ah! Hit the fucking floor. These marks don't even know what we're here for.
You just blast they people. That might be why they irritated.
You get PC'd up.
¡Necesitamos ayuda!
Shit, on your left.
By cover!
Ooh.
Somebody help him!
You the new kind of hood, motherfucker.
Reloading!
Homie, get down. Good looking, homie. We trapped down this alley.
I gotta reload!
Get in behind that truck, homie. They got me pinned down. Shoot that gas can. Follow me. Let's get through this. Damn, it's a gang of niggas out here. They got their whole hood with them.
You sure picked the right people to pick a fight with, nigga.
What's up, fucking snap?
I'm in need of some assistance here.
Yo, who's watching my back?
Man, you make a pup look like a G.
Bitches in our barrio.
I need another clip. Mátalo!
Jesus!
We ain't got beef with you.
Fuck you, punk!
Appreciate it, pimp. Up there, to the right! Up there, shoot that nigga! Bust his ass! Ugly ass bitch! Thanks, man. Over there! They coming out that door! Hell yeah! Get that car, homie! Some more of them niggas! Man, fuck this! Shoot the gas, homie! Man, you got me with a other stick. You still breathing, homie?
Yeah, barely, homie.
Shit, we gotta get the fuck away from this shit.
Man, we only came here for a bite.
May as well get this shit done.
We really gonna repo after all this bullshit.
You know you the designated.
You crazy motherfucker. Why we have to pop all them people?
You was there too. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you shot more of them than I did.
Yeah, but you started this shit, stupid.
Man, what's your major motherfucking malfunction?
What the fuck?
Motherfuckers getting away from him.
That's because he's sitting on 140 cubic inches right there, nigga.
Oh shit, Professor, you're right. Man, I said punch it, homie.
Nigga, I should punch your ass for kicking that shit off. Bike fire with an L, we massacred those motherfuckers. Shit.
Man, you lost him already.
That's a monster fucking bike you riding, stupid.
This punk get away, we going down, homie. He gonna pin us for all these bodies.
And whose fault is that, Mr. 80s action movie body count motherfucker?
Don't play the blame game, just get on this shit. Motherfucker's getting away from us.
That's because he's sitting on 140 cubic inches right there, nigga.
Oh shit, Professor, you're right. Pop that fool. We need him on his ass so we can get what we came for.
Hey, look out for fools like me.
Hello there. Mike. Hey! Where we hanging out? It's all good.
Homie, you tripping. Get that bike back! Shoot him down!
Man, I'm sorry, fool.
Bye-bye, asshole! Dog, we gotta lay low. Get the bike and meet me at the car wash on Innocence. All right, drive safe.
You don't see me driving here?
I don't like her badass kids.
Much I love fucking around right now, nigga, we gotta go.
Hey, wasn't that motherfucker who took the bike that S.A. Vagos dude? With the tattoo on his face and shit?
Yeah, that was him.
Fuck, homie. I don't want no unnecessary bullshit here, all right?
Nigga, I don't give a shit. It's a reason Simeon pays a couple of mean-looking motherfuckers to come repo this shit. We ain't Girl Scouts.
In your case, I ain't so sure about that.
Man, step up, nigga. Of course this dude real. Who else gonna have the required surplus of paper and deficiency of brain cells? He just put a dub down on this bike.
20 G's?
With a 3G note?
Damn, that motherfucker must be tricked out, dawg.
Man, this whole setup designed to take drug money.
All right, man, look, we go in quiet. In and out, no fucking drama.
I'll try, homie, but I'm one loud, dramatic, brass, crazy, greedy, shoot a motherfucker in the back type motherfucker. And you love me for it, nigga.
That's right, homie. Nothing but love, nigga.
That Simeon a funny dude, though. It's gonna be a shame when we get to book his ass and jack him for all this shit.
What the fuck you talking about? You a psychotic motherfucker.
Damn! What the hell? That's how shit work, ain't it? You do some jobs for a fool, develop a little uneasy relationship, and then they ask you to do something above and beyond. You fall out, fools get capped, and then you start all over again with some other fool.
Where the fuck you get that from? That ain't my life, dummy.
How about the boy with the eye from around the way? Marcus or something? You was slanging for him, and then he got what was coming, right?
That was different. That dude had it coming.
I don't want to clap my homie. I don't want to clap my boy Terry either. I like homie. It's just smacks of the inevitable.
Look, dawg, this time we legit, homie. This honest work is gonna end up with us coming up in the world.
Oh, really? That's a nice change from fools coming up on us.
Yeah, I work with Scotty.
Man, you's an uncoordinated.